It's true when they say we can tell one's age with their hands and how good their grooming game is by looking at the health of their feet. If you're looking for a hand and foot care routine, you've come to the right place. Let's build the routine, starting with a coffee curd scrub. Mix together curd, rice flour, and coffee. This is the perfect hand and feet scrub that exfoliates, moisturizes, reduces the appearance of wrinkles, and detans. Talk about a gift that keeps giving. Pro tip: don't waste your products. Apply any extra product from your face onto your hands and elbows for an added layer of moisturization. Once you've scrubbed away the dead skin cells, go in with a moisturizing mask. Help yourself to a spoon of besan to exfoliate your skin, turmeric to brighten, and 2 tablespoons of milk to cleanse and soothe. Mix it into a paste and apply on your hands and all over your feet. Rinse off after 10 minutes. Pro tip: make your own cuticle cream. Add a few drops of sweet almond oil to petroleum jelly and apply for healthy cuticles. Move on to moisturization with a DIY foot and hand cream. Start with glycerin to combat any dry skin. Add castor oil to reduce wrinkles and fine lines. Finally, add some honey for a natural glow and blend well. Pro tip: massage from the center of your feet towards your toes with your thumb to release stress, and follow the same for your hands. For the dry winters, take a little extra care. Make a 3-ingredient night mask for your hands and feet. Mix aloe vera gel with petroleum jelly and add a few capsules of vitamin E oil to make the ideal overnight mask. This perfect trio gives your hands and feet an extra boost of moisture and hydration. Pro tip: double seal. Use a slightly damp sock to seal in moisture and layer it with a dry sock for baby soft feet. We hope you found these tips helpful. Don't forget to check out our other videos for more skincare tips and tricks. Don't forget to subscribe and hit the bell icon and never miss another video. Until next time, stay tuned and stay glamorous.